Hello everyone, this is Eva and you're watching Israeli startup channel ISUP. So today, Iridize is up. So you're with Eyal Lewinsohn, who's the CEO of Iridize. So it's really great to meet you, Eyal.
Hi Eva, hi everybody.
So could you explain us what is Iridize is about?
Yes, so Iridize is all about guiding your first-time users, your customers, as they come into your web applications. Basically, if you think about it, when a user logs into a website for the first time, even if he knows what the website is about, he doesn't always know how to actually do what he's supposed to do on a website. And Iridize helps you do that. We allow every product manager to add on-page guidance on top of his web applications without needing to code a single line of code. It's a simple point-and-click interface that allows you to create a step-by-step guide on top of your application. So when the user logs in for the first time, for example, you can welcome him to your application and tell him, show him exactly what to do. Click here, fill in this box, do that, until he completes the process that you want him to complete on your web application.
I think there would be motivation for you to have this Iridize. And what was the motivation?
Both my partner and I come from a highly technical background.
Yes.
And we noticed that we're spending a lot of time on the phone speaking to our families and friends and neighbors and trying to explain to them how to do stuff on the internet.
Okay.
So they would call us and say, I'm stuck here, I'm trying to order online tickets, what do I click next?
Oh, that's how, yes.
And we ended up, we had to log into the same application and try to reach the exact situation that they reached, and then we would try to tell them, click on the red button that is on the left-hand side of the screen, right below. And then it occurred to us that we can create a service that instead of you having to call somebody, you could click on a help button at the side of the screen and it will show you what exactly to do and where. And it turns out, when we did the market research, it turns out that today, in the line in the world of software applications on the cloud, there is a concept called trial conversion.
Yes.
Trial conversion means that how many of your customers that registered on your site upgraded to a paying account. And these numbers are very low today.
Yes.
A good trial conversion rate is 10%. This means that if 9 out of 10 customers go out of your site and abandon after registration, it's considered okay. So, and we realized that Iridize can help a lot with this trial conversion ratio.
Okay. Actually, it's for, is your customers for really customers, or is it for the websites and
Our customers are the websites, and they're using Iridize to help their end customers, their end users.
Oh, I understand. So it's actually B2B.
So we sell to businesses, yeah.
Oh, great. And then, how is the market reacting? How is the market going?
It's reacting very well. We are bootstrapped. We
Yes.
didn't get any funding, and we started Iridize a year ago.
Yes.
Both my partner and I quit our jobs and started working on Iridize. And 6 months after, we released the first version. And since then, we're acquiring more customers. For the past 6 months, we already have 30 beta customers, and 7 of them have already upgraded and are now paying us a subscription fee. And we're constantly growing.
Yes, I've seen that you launched your business on 2012 April, right?
No, actually, on April we quit our day jobs and started working full time.
Oh, okay.
6 months after that, we launched the first version, and in the last 6 months we've been acquiring beta customers.
Wow. Okay. And how do you really conduct the marketing? of Iridize?
Beginning, we conducted our marketing through LinkedIn. We basically set up a blog, first of all, our website, second, and then we started contacting B2B other businesses through LinkedIn, through our connections. And this is how we got, I would say, around 20 customers. And at that stage, we also started blogging and, guest posting on other websites like Geek Time, for example.
Yes.
And this also helped us get more leads. And at the moment, we're getting, I would say, around 1 or 2 leads to our website every day, which is great because it's B2B.
Yes. Oh, so actually, was there significant change in the results from using Iridize?
A user story with you. One of our customers, they have a software, they have a service on the web for managing projects.
Yes.
And they noticed that they're not, for new users who just registered to their website, they noticed that the number of projects being created was not good enough, and they wanted to improve that. So what we did with them is we created an Iridize guide, an interactive guide that as soon as the user logged in for the first time,
Yes.
Iridize would show up, it would welcome the guide and engage with him and show him the process of creating a new project. And we tested with Iridize and without Iridize. And we saw that in the 2 weeks with Iridize, they saw a 50% increase of projects created.
Wow. Well, do you have segmented customers that you are working on?
Yeah, so currently we're totally focused on the SaaS industry, software as a service, because this is where trial conversion hurts the most. So, and this is where we're targeted now, this is where we're going. Obviously, Iridize can be used for a lot of other segments, but currently, because we want to grow and we're bootstrapped, we're currently focused completely on the SaaS industry.
Okay. And what is the vision of Iridize?
So our vision is to, I think it's very big, but we want, currently we provide only tooltips, only callouts. But guidance is something that we see as it's a whole world. Guiding people on web applications is something very big. And we want to create a lot of guidance solutions for our customers. For example, think about accessibility issues, people who have problems with color, people who have problems with reading. Iridize can guide them. Think about what more? There's so much. I need to remember all of the stuff that we have written down.
But I can see that you're really trying to do good for customers, so they can really have what they want in the website.
Yeah.
And follow up.
Yeah. Exactly. Another thing that that is part of our vision, and we actually already started working on it now, on the first stages of it, is to create a guidance experience for each specific user. So one user can like videos,
Yes.
another user can like the tooltips, and we want to allow our customers to be able to customize the guidance experience for each of their users.
Oh, you like it to be customized.
Yeah.
Customized.
So let's say you have 2 types of users. You have let's consider a CRM system, okay, a customer relationship management system. You have a salesman and you have sales managers. And with Iridize, we want you to be able to create specific set of guides for the sales person and another set of guides for the manager or the person who is viewing the reports.
Great. So, what does Iridize mean?
Cool, great question. Iridize means to make something shiny by coating it.
Uh-huh.
It comes from the word iridium, which makes everything glow. So Iridize is to coat something to make it glow. And because we provide another layer on top of the website, we thought that it's a nice name.
It's a nice name, actually. Oh, as I noticed the meaning, I think I won't forget Iridize. Yes. And to sum up, what would you like to transfer to young entrepreneurs who will be having their ideas to come out like Iridize?
That's a tough question. I think that you really have to follow your dreams and not listen to. There will be a lot of people along the way who are telling you that it's not a good idea, that you shouldn't do it now because you have to worry about paying for your paying for your food and stuff like that. But you really have to believe in what you do and you have to follow your dream. I quit when I quit my job a year ago. I didn't know where Iridize would be a year from today, a year from then, and but I did know one thing, that I would not forgive myself if I didn't try. So I think that if you have an idea and you believe in it, you have to try it at least, and be patient with it because things change all the time, and follow your dream.
Wow. Thank you for your clear message. Follow your dream. Yes. So it was really great to have you here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.